Alright, I'm going to be demonstrating the implementation of the application server, and just to make it a little easier to follow, the client is going to be on the right side right here. We're going to list out all the Fibonacci numbers. On our top left side will be the web server, and then the application server is going to be down at this bottom left, and then all three of these satellite servers are going to be down here right in the middle. So we'll start off by running the web server, and we can see that the generic web server is running, waiting for connections on port 12609, and then we'll run our application server, and then we see the server that run, waiting for connections on port 23657, and then we're going to run one of our satellite servers, and the name is Venus. We see their port number, their IP address, and Venus is waiting on port 25177, and on the application server we can see that Venus was registered. Alright, and then now we're going to run the Earth satellite. So if I go over here, again, run another satellite, we see Earth is registered, port number 25176, and we see on the bottom left that Earth is registered. And the last satellite to run is going to be Mercury. And then we'll run it here. Perfect. And then we see Mercury is running on 25178. And it's waiting connections on that port number, and then on the application server we see that Venus is registered, Earth is registered, and Mercury is registered. And now we'll run our Fibonacci client. Perfect, and we just see it in action. We ran 48 Fibonacci sequences here, and we'll see that all three servers got hit. All three satellite servers got hit. We'll see right here on the generic web server that the Fibonacci class got sent. Here, I'll try to make that a little easier to read. Fibonacci class got sent 3 times to all 3 satellite servers. And then we'll see on the application server, we can scroll up and down, and we can see that all the connections that were established, those are the incoming connections from the client. And then we see all the job requests the client made. And then on the actual satellite servers, we can see what was loaded, what classes were loaded. This is to check out your server, all the classes were loaded. And then the Fibonacci, we can see all the connections it made. And all the numbers that were returned. And yeah, that's the implementation of the application server.